Which of the following answers is going to refer to a technology designed to simplify network infrastructure management? So let's say you're a network admin and you have a client and you have their whole network, right, which everything lives on. You want to have a way to simplify and make it easier to manage their network, the whole infrastructure. So we have some acronyms here. Let's go over a few of them. The easiest one for me is SAN, and I think of sand. The reason why I think of sand is because I think of a sand box, and I think it's just like a storage area you could throw stuff in. Because that's what SAN is. It's a storage area network. That's what it means. It's a dedicated high-speed network, and it provides access to block level storage. It's going to be used for storage management, but not general infrastructure management. So think of SAN, sandbox, storage box, and you have a management for that storage box. That is what that is. Storage area network. We have SEH, which is Secure Event Handler, and that is to do with Windows operating systems, and it's used for handling exceptions. Secure Event Handler. It handles exceptions. It has nothing to do with network related equipment at all. So that one I want to take out as well. So SAN, storage area network, is out. That's for storage. SEH, which is secure event handler, that's out. That's Microsoft Windows operating system based. And then we have SSP, which is the service switching point. So service switching point is a component of the signaling system 7 or SS7, kind of like how the acronym first starts with the SSP. And this is a technology for telecommunications, and it's for their signaling network. It's used for call setup and routing in traditional phone networks, so it's not generally for general network infrastructure management. SSP, I like to think of SIP because phones can run on SIP. Like if you've ever heard of phone terminology, if not, that might be confusing. So just know that SSP is a service switching point for telecommunications, not infrastructure networks. So SAN, storage area network, not our problem. SEH, secure event handler, that's Windows. SSP, not our problem also, that's for telecommunications. SDN. What is SDN? SDN is software defined networking. Software-defined networking actually is a technology that separates the network's control plane from the data plane. And a few other things kind of do this as well, like when you're sending emails, you have a control plane and then you have a data plane. So the control plane is where you kind of communicate across the server and the client, and the data plane is where the data is sent through. So this is the same thing. Software-defined networking. The network infrastructure is defined by software. So you have a control layer and a data layer. Data can pass through the client and the server, or client, server, client, and then the control is where the admins are going to manage everything overhead. What this can mean is a few benefits. So the first benefit that comes to my mind is you're able to do any kind of management without interrupting the flow of data. Since you have software-defined networking, you have two channels. You can edit on this channel and data can still flow on this channel, not interrupted. That's one of the best things. It allows you to configure devices, monitor performance, troubleshoot issues. It's kind of great all around for being able to manage a network. There's no disruptions. You have the independent operations since they're separate, and you get real-time updates. I hope I don't sound too sick, but SDN is software-defined networking. It makes it easier, simplifies network infrastructure management, and it's great for being able to make changes while still allowing your clients to work. The other one, storage area network, is for storage. The SSP is service switching point, that's for telecommunications, and SEH is secure event handler. That is for Windows operating system. The correct answer is SDN, software-defined networking, and that is used to simplify network infrastructure management.